me crazy. I wanna be
See, if I talk, it looked like I had no teeth at all. So I found Insta Smile, and so simple to apply, and I now have the confidence to smile for the first time in 30 years.
This product is great. I couldn't say no more. I'm waiting for insurance on my teeth, so I had to, I got these, time being. They work great, see? Look nice. You know, like, could be a little more comfortable, but they work. Now, you know, but I'm waiting for insurance to go so I can get my teeth put in. But, that's it. They work great. I give them a thumbs up. Definitely order them. Can't beat it.
What saved me is I have a partial plate. I don't have any teeth right here. So I attached the bubble teeth thing to my back one. I eat with these, I sleep with these, and I use these as a denture. But you do have to be very careful what you eat because they will rip. So I seen the lady on TikTok. These are shade bright white. Thank you, Insta Smile.
I did a video, like I said I would in the review, just so you could hear my speech sounds perfectly normal. Well, normal for me anyway. I don't know what you're used to, but I mean, these are great. The pop-on veneers can bite it. Good pun there.